Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the marketing management, that is marketing mix. What is the meaning of marketing mix? Marketing mix refer to the aggregate of the policy formulated with the view of successfully completing the different marketing activities regarding the quality of the product. Policy of the company may be to the product three different qualities: top quality, medium quality, ordinary quality. The objective of this policy may be attract all type of the customer. Similarly, regarding selling goods on the credit, policy of the company may be to give credit facility to the prosperous customer alone. In other matter also, company may formulate its policy keeping in mind customer satisfaction. The definition of marketing mix is, according to Dr. R.S. Davers, the policy adopted by manufacturers to attain the success in the market constitute the marketing mix. Means it is clear from the definitions that marketing mix is the set of policy prepared on the best of decision with regard to different marketing activities. Next, product. Generally, the meaning of the product is considered to any physical thing like a mobile set of book, lipstick, etc. But from the marketing viewpoint, the product means everything which satisfies the need of its buyer. In other words, service like the banking, insurance, education, health, etc. are included with the physical thing while defining the product. Not only this, but the opinion, information of the other people also fall into the category of the product. In brief, anything that can be with a value to the buyer can be termed as the product. The product can also be known as bundle of utilities. What is the nature of product? From the buyer viewpoint of product is that item which can be get from the sellers, and product can be both physical thing and the service the buyer purchase, not the product but the contentment from the product. Next type of satisfaction received from product. A functional satisfaction to wear the shirt cover the body with its example of the functional satisfaction. Psychological satisfaction to feel move confidence active after wearing the shirt provide the psychological satisfaction. Social satisfaction getting recognition after wearing the shirt from the group as people is a social satisfaction. Next, product attribute concept. When we think about the product, generally it referred only to the tangible attribute of the product. Example, we say have the bought a bike, but while we take the buying decision, we along with the tangible attribute also consider intangible attribute of the product. The example of intangible attribute are the branded name, image of the company, guarantee, warranty, packaging, and many other such attribute. Therefore, in marketing, product is a mixture of tangible and intangible attribute which is the are the capable of being exchanged for the consideration to satisfy the customer needs. So, marketing decision mainly in respect of four variables: product, price, promotions, and place or physical distribution. These variables are called element of marketing mix. The same are the popularly known as 4P. Again, decisions are taken with regard to each element. With regard to product, its name, color, design, packaging, quality call for the separate decision. Thus, each element involved in the set of many decisions, such as each element known as the special mix. For product mix, price mix, promotion mix, and physical distribution mix, all the four elements of marketing mix are described. That first, product mix. What is product mix? Refer to all the decisions relating to the product. These decisions are mainly with regard to the branding, packaging, labeling, color, designing, quality, size, after sales, service, weightage of the product. These decisions play an important role in the attracting the customer to the product. The detail of the description of branding, packaging, and labeling are given below. So first, what is branding? Branding refers to the that process through which the distinct identification of the product is establishment. Next, brand, it refers to the special sample letter or mixture of all these when we go to the market demand for the product like a Lux soap, Colin glass cleaner, etc. Thus brand name, it refers to the that part of brand which can be spoken, for example Asian Paint, Uncle Chips, Lux. And next, brand mark, it refers to that part of brand which cannot be spoken but can be recognized easily. Next, trademark, when the brand is registered under the Trademark Act 1990, then it becomes the trademark. The trademark is one company cannot be used by any other company. To bring out the difference between the brand and trademark, it should be clear that all the trademark are branded where all the brand are not be trademark.